Alright guys, welcome back to the Self-Taught Creative, and today we're going to talk about IG Reels and why you should be posting on IG Reels today. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into IG Reels and what is the big deal and why you should be using it right now today, especially if you are an online creator and you're trying to create content and you want to attract people to your page to show off what you do. Okay, so here we go. IG Reels, introducing IG Reels. This was posted August 5th. I think that's when it came out and they wanted to tell people more about it. But this is what Instagram has described what IG Reels is. Today, we're announcing IG Reels, a new way to create and discover short, entertaining videos on Instagram. Reels invites you to create fun videos to share with your friends or anyone on Instagram. Record and edit 15-second multi-clip videos with audio effects and new creative tools. You can share Reels with your followers on your feed, and if you have a public account, make them available to the wider Instagram community through a new space in Explore. Reels and Explore offers everyone a chance to become a creator on Instagram and reach new audience on a global stage. Okay, so all in all, what they're telling you is that Instagram has now created TikTok. This is what it is. It's just really TikTok. And that's cool. A lot of people love TikTok. I love TikTok. TikTok is a fun platform and they getting a lot of push right now. And TikTok is blowing up, especially now that they aren't going anywhere and stuff like that. So, Instagram really wants to grab people and bring people back to Reels. We saw that with Snapchat, and we saw that when Snapchat was just blowing up, and then Instagram came with the IG stores and they started adding all their creative flavor on that, and it grew. In the beginning, stories were terrible and then they got better. Right now, Reels are in the beginning stages and they say that they're going to upgrade some things too, but it's all good. So you can still post on TikTok, but what I'm telling you, on Instagram, Reels is where you want to post as well. And the reason why I say that is because when Instagram comes out with something new, they're going to push it like crazy. So this is a good time for you to get really noticed if you create on IG Reels on a day-to-day basis. You can see right now when you pull up IG Explore page, man, the Reels have the biggest real estate on that page. It takes up half the page, so Reels are being promoted every day. So this is a new platform that you should take advantage of if you want to be a creative. So let's go into how to create an IG Reel. All right, so let's open up Instagram. All right, when you go into Instagram, you're going to go like you're going to create a story, and at the bottom, you're going to see Reels. You want to start that reel. So here we go. Now we in. You can select music. So music is the first thing you kind of want to look around and kind of see what's the vibe. What kind of, you have all type of music you can add to your video. You got where you can create the speed. You have the speed right there where you can make it fast or slow, your first clip. You got effects as well. Just like on your IG stores, you're going to have effects, different effects that you can scroll through and just try out different ones to make it more creative, which is very dope, where you can kind of chop up, your different videos and give it different feels and different attitudes depending on what you want to use. The thing too is you can always add new effects and you can browse new effects. So if you click the search, you can go through, and so many creators have created so many different effects that you can add on to your IG Reel, just like your IG story. And once you do that, you can kind of mess with the timer. You can kind of adjust, how much of that clip that you want for just that part or that cut. And then once you open up your gallery, you can choose which video you want to use. You can trim it down, so you make it better for you, and then you can just keep adding clips. You got to wait for it to add, and you can go and grab another clip, trim another part of the clip, and you can just do that over and over and over until you get something that you are satisfied with. It takes a little bit long to add the clips sometimes, just depending on your service, I think. But then you can just keep adding the different clips, chopping it down until you come up with a finishing product that's better for you. You're going to have different options at the top, just like on IG stories, like GIFs. So you go through the GIFs. I always say add GIFs because they add just another element to your videos to keep your viewers engaged, like emojis, and you can add questions and all different kind of stuff. You can, when you add them, you can place them wherever you want, just like IG stories. It's not too different the way that you go about adding this. And then you can also use, like, the different scribble tools, to draw and things like that. You can draw on the different clips, and then you can add text. You can always add text to it. One thing though, they do not let you at anybody. IG Reels, you cannot at or tag anybody. So you can adjust the different fonts. You can change the colors. You can they got so many different fonts now. They're saying they're gonna update that. So then once you're done, that's when you can just write your caption. You can change the cover, and you can write your different captions, write your tags, and then you can kind of just go from there, and you'll be ready to post. And you can always click to share to feed as well. So make sure you do that if you want to attract more people. So there you go. So let me tell you, when it comes to TikTok versus IG Reels, I feel like TikTok is a better platform right now, but I know that Instagram is gonna come with it pretty soon. But I still say use IG Reels just like you would use TikTok. I even say take your content from TikTok and just upload it to IG Reels. Makes it easier for you, so you will have that video going on IG Reels and on TikTok to grab more grab more viewers and grab more people. You always want to share your stuff out there as much as you can. So use IG Reels and it'll help you. Peace.